A complete video of Chapter 2 of CMR 2017। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम लोग जानेंगे कोल माइन रेगुलेशन 2017 के अंतर्गत चैप्टर 2 रिटर्न नोटिस एंड रिकॉर्ड। रेगुलेशन नंबर 3 नोटिस ऑफ ओपनिंग। 1 पॉइंट, the notice for commencement of any mining operation under section 16 of the act shall be submitted in the form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose, accompanied by a plan showing the boundary of the mine and the shaft or opening of the mine, tri-junction or revenue pillar and other prominent and permanent surface feature to the chief inspector and a copy thereof to the regional inspector, provided that in the case of change in the boundary of a mine under regulation 121 and 122, a plan showing the new boundary shall be submitted within 7 days of the said change. Number 2 point, the notice referred to in sub-regulation 1 shall be accompanied by a copy of surface plan prepared under the clause A of sub-regulation 1 of regulation 65. B point, a copy of safety management plan prepared under regulation 104, provided that in respect of mine which has already been opened, the plan referred to in clause 1 and B shall be submitted within 60 days and 1 year respectively of coming into force of this regulation. 1. Number 3. When a mine has been opened, the owner, agent or manager shall forthwith communicate the actual date of opening to the chief inspector, the regional inspector and to the district magistrate. Regulation 4 under CMR 2017 Annual Returns. Point number 1. On or before first day of February in every year, the owner, agent or manager shall submit to chief inspector, the regional inspector, to the district annual return in respect of the preceding year in the form and method as may be specified by chief inspector for the purpose. Point number 2. If a mine is abandoned or closed or working thereof is discontinued over a period exceeding 60 days, or if change occur in the ownership of a mine, the return required under sub-regulation 1 shall be submitted within 30 days of such abandonment or closure or change of ownership, or within 90 days of discontinuance, as the case may be. Regulation 5 under CMR Regulation 2017 Notice of abandonment, closure or discontinuance. Point number 1. When it is intended to abandon or close a mine or seam or to discontinue working thereof for a period exceeding 60 days, the owner, agent or manager shall give a notice in form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose, to the chief inspector, the regional inspector and to the district magistrate, stating the reason for the such abandonment and closure, discontinuance and number of persons likely to be affected thereby, not less than 30 days before such abandonment or discontinuance, provided that when account of unforeseen circumstances a mine is abandoned, closed or discontinued before the said notice has been given or without previous intention, the discontinuance extend beyond a period of 60 days. The notice shall be given forthwith. Point number 2. Notwithstanding anything contained in sub-regulation 1, when it is intended to abandon, close or discontinue for more than 60 days and any working below ground over which is situated any property vested in the government or any local authority or any railway or any building or permanent structure not belonging to the owner, agent or manager shall not less than 30 days before the date of such abandonment, closure or discontinuance give notice to his intention to the chief inspector and the regional inspector. Point number 3. When a mine or seam has been abandoned, closed, or working thereof has been discontinued over a period exceeding 60 days, the owner, agent, or manager shall, within 7 days of abandonment, closure, or expiry of the said period of discontinuance, give to the chief inspector, the regional inspector, and the district magistrate notice in form and method as may be specified by chief inspector for the purpose. Next, regulation 6, notice of reopening. Point number 1. When it is intended to reopen a mine or seam after abandonment, closure, or discontinuance for a period exceeding 60 days, the owner, agent, or manager shall not less than 30 days before resumption of mining operation given to chief inspector, the regional inspector, and to the district magistrate notice in the form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose. Point number 2. When a mine has been reopened, the owner, agent, or manager of the mine shall forthwith communicate the actual date of reopening to the chief inspector, the regional inspector, and to the district magistrate. Regulation 7 under CMR 2017 Chapter 2. Notice of change in ownership and appointment of agent, manager, etc. Point number 1. When a change occurs in the name of ownership of a mine or in address of the owner, agent, or manager shall, within 7 days from the date of change, give to chief inspector and regional inspector a notice in form and method as may be specified by chief inspector for the purpose, provided that where the owner of a mine is a firm or other association of individual, a change, number 1, of any partner in the case of firm, of any member in the case of association, or any director in case of public company, or any shareholder in case of private company, shall also be intimated to the chief inspector and the regional inspector within 7 days from the date of change. Point number 2. When the ownership of a mine is transferred, the previous owner or his agent shall make over the new owner or his agent within a period of 7 days of the transfer of ownership all plans, sections, report, register, and other record maintained in pursuance of Act and the regulation or order made thereunder, and all correspondence related to the working of the mine relevant thereto, and when the requirement of this clause have been duly complied with, then both the previous and new owner or their respective agent shall forthwith inform the chief inspector and the regional inspector in writing. Point number 3. When any appointment is made of an agent, manager, engineer, surveyor, ventilation officer, safety officer, or assistant manager, or when the employment of any such person is terminated, or any such person leave the said employment, or when any change occur in the address of any agent or manager, the owner, agent, manager shall, within 7 days from the date of such appointment, termination, or change, give to the chief inspector and the regional inspector a notice in the form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose. Point number 4. The owner of a mine shall submit in writing to chief inspector and the regional inspector a statement showing the name and designation of every person authorized to act on behalf of the owner in respect of management, control, or supervision or diet of the mines. Point number 5. The statement referred to in subsection 4 shall be a state responsibility of every such person and the matter in respect of which he authorized to act on behalf of the owner. Point number 6. Every person referred to in subsection 4 shall be an agent for the mine or group of mine as the case may be in respect of responsibilities as specified in the statement referred therein. Point number 7. Any change, addition, or alternation in the name or other particular of a statement referred to in sub-regulation 4 shall be reported in writing to the Chief Inspector or and Regional Inspector within 7 days from the date of change, addition or alternation. Regulation 8 of CMR. Notice of dangerous occurrence or accident. Point number 1. When there occur in or in about a mine, a point, an accident causing a loss of life or seriously bodily injured in connection with any mining operation, or B, a readily identifiable event with potential to cause an injury to person at work, hereinafter referred to as dangerous occurrence, such as first, an explosive or ignition. Second point, a spontaneous hitting or outbreak of fire, or appearance of a smoke or other indication of hitting or outbreak of fire. Third point, fire in any part of working or in any machinery. 4 point, fall from height of any excavation, loading or transport machinery, bursting of equipment under pressure, influx of inflammable or noxious gases, an interrupt or inrush of water or other liquid matter, an instantaneous failure of pillar, part of a pillar or several pillars of coal in a bump working below ground, a premature collapse of any part of working, an accident due to explosive, any accident due to explosive, a breakage or fracture of rope, chain, headgear, pulley or axle of bearing, therefore or other gear by which person or material are lowered or raised, an overwinding of cage or other means of conveyance while men or material are being lowered or raised, a breakage of or fracture of an essential part of winding engine, crankshaft, coupling, bearing, gearing, clutch, drum or drum shaft, or failure of emergency brake, a business of any equipment containing a steam, compressed air or any other substance at high pressure, a breakage, fracture or failure of an essential part of any machine or apparatus whereby the safety of person may be endangered, a slight causing of injury to any person, damage to any machinery, interruption of normal mining operation, failure of dump or side in open cast working, a failure of any structure or installation whereby the safety of person may be endangered, or a spark generated due to electrical flashover causing burn injury to any person. The owner, agent or manager shall forthwith inform the regional inspector about the occurrence by the telephone, fax, email or by special messenger, and shall also within 24 hours of every telephone 24 hours of every such occurrence give notice thereof in a form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose to the district magistrate, the chief inspector and regional inspector, and in case of an accident mentioned in clause A, also the competent authority for payment of compensation. Provided that in case of such notice is sent by email, it shall be immediately followed by fax or letter. दूसरा नंबर पॉइंट, the owner, agent or manager shall simultaneously exhibit a copy of notice referred to in sub-regulation 1 on a special notice board at the office of the mine for period of not less than 14 days from the date of such exhibition. Point number 3. When an accident causing loss of life, seriously bodily injury or burn injury occur in or about a mine in connection with the generation, storage or transmission, supply or use of electrical energy, the owner, agent or manager shall also forthwith inform the inspector of mine by telephone, fax, email or by a special messenger, provided that in case of such notice is sent by email, it shall be immediately followed by fax or letter. Number 4 point. If death result from an injury already reported to as serious under sub-regulation 1 of any injury other than serious injury becomes serious, the owner, agent or manager shall within 24 hours of his being informed of the same give notice thereof to the district magistrate, the chief inspector, the regional inspector and to the competent authority for payment of compensation. and if such death or injury is connected with any region as specified under subregulation 3, also to the inspector of mines electrical. In respect to every person killed or injury as above, the owner, agent or manager shall be sent particulars in the form and method as may be specified by chief inspector for the purpose within 7 days of the occurrence and also within 15 days of the injured person returning to the duty. Regulation 9. Notice of disease. Where any person employed in a mine contract any disease notified by the central government in the official gazette under section 25 of the Act, the owner, agent or manager shall within 3 days of his being informed of the disease give notice thereof in the form and method as may be specified by the chief inspector for the purpose. To the chief inspector, the regional inspector and the inspector of mines medical, the district magistrate and to the competent authority for payment of compensation. यह एक कंप्लीट वीडियो है चैप्टर 2 रिटर्न नोटिस एंड रिकॉर्ड ऑफ CMR 2017. Fourth chapter 3rd of CMR video will be continued. Thank you for watching.